Hi guys, so today I have ordered my Acer monitor from Amazon. So I got it in sale, and today I got this delivered within 2 days. So I'll be doing the unboxing for this, and let's check out how it actually shows up now. It's a heavy box, so I'll just quickly get done with all this wrapping and show you the box content directly. Alright, so as you can see, so this is my 27-inch full HD Acer IPS monitor. These are the features. It's a full HD monitor with AMD FreeSync and zero frame. So it would be very thin and very slight bezels. That's what I've got from the reviews. And with the kind of office work I'm doing, I really need a screen like this. So I'll quickly unbox this up as well. Come over here. Okay, so I totally got rid of the box. So this is the charging main deck. This would be the stand which is going to hold it. This is the power cord. This is the base stand. This would be the HDMI cable. Looks of a premium quality. This is the aux input output, and this is the charging side again. Oh, so sorry, this is the VGA cable. So that's a good thing that we are getting a VGA cable along with this. So let me keep all these aside and quickly pull up the screen, and I can place it. So here you can see that this is the Acer screen. It's wrapped up, so let me get a hold of this and then I can show it. Alright, so this is the screen. I haven't plugged in the base and every other cable, so I'll quickly do that too and show it how it looks then. So for assembling it, you will get this kind of an item. So this goes into the back side of your screen. This is the base, and you just need to put it inside this. It will fit, and you just need to screw this up from here. So once you do that, it becomes tighter base and your screen lands on the top of this. You can have a look of this as well from here. Alright, so I have totally assembled this. So if I give you a total background how it has been done, so you just see that over here the screen lands on this particular, and this is very slim. Just see that how slim this is. It would be around the width of my finger, and this screen can be easily tilted towards the way you want it to be. So the good thing is it's quite slim, and it looks little classy too. It's a matte finish, and the color wise also it looks really good on your desk. So let me quickly plug this in with my laptop and just see how it finally gonna look like. So as in you see that the colors are vibrant, and screen is quite beautiful. The way it pitches out, it really does takes the resolution out of it. If I show you some colors for this, then that would be kind of a justifier to the quality towards it. But I can tell that I have used a Dell 27-inch monitor as well, and the quality you get in Dell is way different than this one, although I am yet to experience this. But in terms of the build and other things, it looks quite decent on your desk, that is for sure. But yeah, I need to really test on this. Secondly, on the price point, to be very honest, the Dell monitor which I bought, it costed me around 13,000 during the Amazon sale, and this one I bought it for 11,200 rupees during the sale. So if you look at the price of this one during the non-sales on the e-commerce websites, so you won't get it at this price point, that's for sure. So if it really justifies the price point or not, I really need to test that, and I hope that the experience with this remains good. I'll keep you posted on this. You can comment down below with any of your doubts. Thank you. Okay, so this would be the sound test, I can say, and the sound quality is not that great. It's low, not that high. I don't think this is the max volume also on the screen. So if you're sitting in front of it, then obviously you may feel that yeah, it's fine, it's up to my ears. But if you really want to increase the sound, have that bassy thing or treble thing, it's not there. It's just the normal sound you will get on a monitor like this. So all in all, I think on a 11,000 price point, like not much for the expectations. And let me see that how it really turns out in future. So this is the picture quality. So it's very vivid and really looking bright and the way you want it to see. So this is a full HD video, I believe, and I can just check. Yeah, it's full HD video. It's running good. On the sound quality, I would say that the speakers on this particular device are not that great, because the sound you can hear right now, it's very very low. So purposely you need to plug in the external speakers for this to get a total feel of for this. Otherwise it won't give you a decent sound experience, that for sure. But the picture quality I could see from my eyes in front of me, it's good. I'll play some music as well so that we get a idea about that as well.